Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another JF Production Studio video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier mic. We're always looking for a better way to capture audio. It's a very important process of the video creation and just making YouTube videos. I have high hopes for this thing that it can make the process a lot smoother. So you don't really have to worry too much about audio. It's small, it's wireless. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So real quick, we'll go over the pricing for this combo pack, which brings all three of the adapters. Goes for about $139 at Amazon and also on their site. I'll drop the link down below if you guys are interested in this version. The other versions go from $120 to around $113 depending on which adapter and what version you want to go with. I would just opt to just getting the one with the 3 adapters and make it easier, just in case you do want to use one in the future. The distance that this thing's able to capture is 300 meters or up to 1,000 feet, which is actually pretty crazy that this thing can capture from that far of a distance. The charging time, it's 40 hours of, so you'll be able to charge each item in here twice over for 40 hours. The actual recording time is 10 hours for like actual usage of the recorders are 10 hours, and it will take 1.5 hours or less than 1.5 hours to charge this thing from completely dead to like fully charged. We're gonna go over some of the basics here. These two adapters being almost identical. We got one with the Thunderbolt and one with the C. It's got one button there to the bottom, which is a pairing button. They should come paired already from the factory, and it's got a C port here just in case you wanted to have this plugged into your phone or your device and still wanting to charge your actual phone. Here we got the case. It is currently charging as it came. Lavalier mics were not charged, so I had to go ahead here and we are charging them. Got the orange indicating lights. It means that it is currently charging. Once these turn green means fully charged, and red obviously means that it's low on battery. You can see these little lights here. Just pretty much indicates what the actual physical case here, what it's currently at. One thing to keep in mind, if it is sitting at this one light here, you will not be able to charge any of the devices in the case. Okay, so now we'll go into the kind of the setup. It's actually super easy. Take the adapter here, plug it into the bottom of your phone. It comes with these little magnets. It's actually a clip. You could wear it in different ways. I actually would probably prefer the little magnet thing where you just clip it up to like a collar or something like that. But you could also take this little magnet. You can see here, you can take it off from the back of the clip, and what you would do is just place it behind your shirt and then put the lavalier mic on top of the magnet there. But like I said, the example I want to use will probably just be like the clip. Just clip it onto wherever you like. Probably prefer down by your neckline or somewhere around those. Take that bad boy out of the box. So you just take the lavalier mic. As you can see, you do want to have the mic part facing upward, not downward obviously, and the blue light right here indicates that it's already ready to go. So just like that, you don't have to hit no power button or nothing. As you can see here on the phone, it's already pairing just like that. So right out of the factory, it's already set literally clip it onto your shirt. Pretty much all you got to do is like hit record at this point, and you could start capturing great audio just like that. It's actually solid quality. I just tried it for a little bit and I already noticed the difference there, where you don't really have to worry about anything, like I said. And the cool thing is here with the button, if your phone is able to handle this part, I guess not all phones you can control it off of the lav mic, but it's got the little button on the side. So if you press it once, it's gonna activate the noise canceling feature. You just hit the button here on the side, and the way that you can tell that the noise canceling is on is if you just check right here, it'll be green. Also, this will be green, showing you, indicating that noise canceling's on. So another thing you can do is if you hit this twice, it stops the recording. So, or starts the recording. So hit that twice. Now recording continues, and so it makes it super easy. So if the light is blue, it's just regular recording. If you hit it once, the green means noise cancellation. So I think the setup for the camera adapter is a little bit different, not much different, should still be fairly easy. So this has got the 3.5 jack there, that which you'll need. Brings the cord to plug it up into the camera. The volume, it's got its own separate volume. It's got the C there if you did want to charge it on its own. Power button, and this adapter actually does have a mode setting too. It's the only one that has a mode setting. The mode, you can switch it between mono or stereo mode. All right, so here I'm just showing you guys real quick. This is how you connect it with the 3M cable. You'll have the blue light there indicating that it is synced to the lavalier mic, and then yeah, you're all set to go. Like I said, it does have the volume dials, so you'll have to adjust those in your camera settings. We're just gonna be testing the range, seeing if it could pick up audio from way back here. I'll grab a jump rope. A little rusty. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is what makes this mic really cool, is the fact that it gives you the option to be completely far away. Okay, this is another range test here. We are out with, the wind's not too bad, but I'm gonna try to go out here as far as I can. Like I said, if it's actually picking up audio from like way out here, I would say that is way more than enough range already. The speed launcher. Oh, not nice. Probably be my final test here. Gonna be going in, ordering a drink, cup of coffee, so I can finish editing this video tonight for you guys. Hello, can I get a grande pike?
Yeah. And then would you like to try a sample today?
Sure, what is it?
It's just our baked apple croissant.
Yeah, I'll try it. It's good. She made it perfect. Thinking it recorded it pretty fine. I mean, all right guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. Would I recommend the product? Absolutely. I think this is one of those products that it's a no-brainer if you like making videos, or if you're a creator, or it would benefit a vlogger, it would benefit just making a video straight up like this in the studio. So versatile. It's actually great quality. It's got good audio, very portable, long battery life. I just don't see how you could go wrong with a device like this. Even if you're not going to use it all the time, I just feel like it would just come in handy due to the fact that it's just so versatile. I've experimented with a lot of different audio equipment, and the price for what you're getting is not bad at all. My overall approval, you got my approval. So, but yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.